This is an instructional video of how to set up Google Sheets when you have compound interest in an annuity. The first example from your quiz review today said that Bob deposits $20,000 into an account that pays 6% APR compounded quarterly. How much is in his account after 5 years? So we're going to have some payment compound periods. So that's what I'm going to type in the first one. We're going to collect interest and we're going to have a balance. I'm not making monthly payments, I just have a starting balance of $20,000. So I'm going to call that period 0 because I make the deposit and then the money sits there for 20 compounding periods because it's 5 years compounded quarterly. So I'm going to do the previous plus 1 to make it go all the way to 20. And then I'm collecting interest after the first compounding period. So to get the interest, I'm going to do the previous balance times 6% divided by 4 because it's compounded quarterly. So I should make $300 of interest on the first compounding period. To get my new balance, I'm going to hit the previous balance plus the interest I just earned. If you drag this interest formula down, it will calculate the interest on every previous balance. It'll say 0 until I drag the balance down. So at the end of 5 years, this account has $26,937 in it. Now let's look at the second type of question. This is an annuity because you're putting money into your account every month. So you're not just putting a bunch of money in your account to start with and then leaving it alone. You're adding money to it every compounding period. So in this case, Susan's putting $300 into her account every month for 4 years. So that's 12 times a year for 4 years. So it's going to compound 48 times. And in this case, she's going to put $300 in at month 1. So I'm going to go from 1 to 48. And we can zoom all the way down. Next, we're going to still collect interest, but now instead of going straight to balance, we are also going to be making payments every period, and then we will have a balance. So we don't earn interest right away. We are making a payment of $300 in month 1, so our balance is $300 after month 1. Month 2 is where you start earning interest. So to get that interest, it is the previous balance times your 8% interest divided by 12 because it's monthly. APR stands for annual percentage rate. I make a $300 payment every single month, so I can take this $300 payment and drag it all the way down. Every month I make that payment. So my ending balance at the end of month 2 is going to be whatever my balance was at the end of month 1 plus the interest I earned on that previous balance plus this payment I just added to my account. So not only am I earning interest, which I can drag all the way down, I'm also adding money to my fund, which is helping me earn more money. And so my interest is going to grow more quickly than the other one because I'm adding money every month. So at the end of 4 years, I'll have $16,904 in my account. So that is how you make an annuity account.